Vlogmas Day 12. I am currently sitting here at my desk editing yesterday's vlog, and then I have to go outside to muck the pasture and clean out the water trough and all of that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I have to edit yesterday's vlog so I can get it uploaded in just a little bit. Okay, so I just finished editing yesterday's vlog, so that is exporting now, and I have to make the thumbnail and then I have to export it to YouTube, and I will post it in just a little bit. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going to make the thumbnail. Okay, so I have edited yesterday's vlog. Now I am about to muck the pasture. So I have to get our cart and I'm going to muck the pasture, and then I have to clean out the water trough. And whoa, I almost fell. And then I have to clean the water trough and all of that. Okay, so I've just finished mucking the pasture. Now I am about to bring the manure to the manure pile. Okay, so I just got some vinegar and I put it in that bucket. I'm about to clean out the water trough, and I scrub it with vinegar because it's really good at cleaning out the water trough, but it's also all natural, so that's why I really love to use it. Okay, so the water trough is all cleaned out, so that's filling up now. Okay, so I just came back inside. I just mucked the pasture, and I also cleaned out the horses' water trough and the hens. And I am about to make yesterday's vlog public, so that is what I'm doing right now. So yeah, this is Vlogmas Day 11, and it is now public. Yay! I just scared my brother. Okay, so it's a little bit later now, and I'm about to give the horses their dinner. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. You hungry, Mama? I don't even know what I just said there. Blah 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 blah. I can't talk. I was gonna say Mama, and then I don't get it. I don't know what I was saying, Bluey. Okay. She's like, well, I know what you're about to do. Yes, ma'am. So yeah, I'm about to feed the horses. Okay, Blue Jeans is eating. I have Levi's food. So I'm about to feed him. And I gotta wet his food. I wet his food because since he's older, it's easier for him to digest it and for him to like eat it. So I just wet it a little bit for him. It just makes it easier since it makes it a little soggy. Buddy! There you are. Here you go. Good boy. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to go and check up on the chickens. Yeah, it sounds like they're in there. Whoa, I almost fell. Okay, let me lock their door. There we go. Okay, now I have to give the horses their hay. You go, girl. Okay, everybody is eating their dinner, so I am now turning off the lights in the barn and just locking the gate. So yeah, good night, babies. Sunsets are so pretty. Okay, so I'm heading back inside and I'm going to eat dinner. Okay, so I just ate dinner and I'm about to edit the vlog that you're watching right now. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here, but I love y'all so much and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye!